Hey guys, for all the details on this beautiful drawstring ponytail from YGwigs, definitely keep watching.
Girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive, you getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. About me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Stephanie Nicole H. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss a thing on my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about this drawstring ponytail that I have in my head, and it was sent to me by YGwigs. So I'm just going to go ahead and dive right into the details. Then we'll move over to my unboxing, my install, my pros and cons. Per the usual, you all should be used to this by now. But if you're new here, that's typically how my videos go. So as far as the specs of this ponytail, so again, this ponytail was sent to me by YGwigs. It is a drawstring ponytail. The texture is body wave and it is 20 inches long. The price for this specific length and texture is $67.90. Now they do have ponytails ranging from 16 inches all the way up to 24 inches, but this one specifically is 20 inches long. So density is 150% and it's 100% human hair. So it can be dyed, it can be straightened, all of the above. The color is a natural black color. So I did co-wash this ponytail and just hung it up to air dry. I did not dye it yet, but I will be dyeing it a jet black color just to match my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and just jump to my unboxing and be putting this ponytail on my head. Now I did not film me molding my hair down. However, I did just do another ponytail from a different company a couple videos back. So I'm gonna link that down in the description box below so you can see what products that I use and how I mold my ponytail. But yeah, let me just cut to the unboxing and me installing this ponytail. All right guys, so here is the bag, YGwigs. So inside the bag is the box that the ponytail came in. So I'm just going to open up the box and here is the bag that the ponytail is in. So as far as the goodies, I received an edge brush, also lock jewelry, 2 clips. I absolutely love these clips, and then some wig caps. So as far as the ponytail, let's just open up this bag and see what we have. So here is the ponytail. Again, this is 20 inches long, water wave. So look at that texture, just beautiful. So as far as the construction, has 1 comb in the front, 1 comb in the back, also the drawstring with the lock to it. And that's pretty much it. Okay, so now it's time to install the ponytail. So as you can see, my hair is already molded into a low ponytail with a middle part. So ponytail has already been co-washed and hung up to dry, and no products have been used on the ponytail as of right now. So I'm going to go ahead and turn around so you can see. So I'm just placing that top comb in the top of my ponytail at the base, and then I'm placing the back comb in the bottom of my ponytail at the base. And now it's time to pull on that drawstring, making it super duper tight, and then locking it with that lock. Also, just make sure that the combs are not resting on your scalp because that will hurt all day long. So I'm just wrapping that string around and around and around the ponytail and then putting the ends of it inside the ponytail. And so now I have this long braid that I made with Kanika hair, and I have 2 bobby pins on each end. So now I'm just going to place 1 bobby pin in the back of the ponytail at the base and then just wrap it around the base of the ponytail. And I'm just going to wrap around and around and around until it's completely wrapped around the base of the ponytail. And then with the other bobby pin, I'm just going to place that in the base of the ponytail to secure it. And that's it for this style. Super duper cute, right? And easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right guys, so I am back. So let's just jump right into my pros and cons of this drawstring ponytail. So pros, the texture is absolutely gorgeous. Water wave is one of my favorite textures this spring and summer, so absolutely beautiful. I will say that the density on this ponytail is amazing. When I did co-wash this unit and hung it up to air dry, I was a little iffy about the density because it looked a little thin. However, when it did dry and fluff out, it is enough hair on this ponytail. Also, the length is always good, so I decided to do a low ponytail this time instead of a high one. And I will say that the length on this is giving me life. It comes all the way down to the bottom of my waist, and I'm 5'7". And then I did go ahead and put this little cute braid around the base of the ponytail, which is, all I did was just take some Kanekalon hair and just braided it, and then just put some bobby pins and just attached it and wrapped it around. But that was pretty much it. Easy peasy. So another pro I would say is the convenience of this ponytail. So all you have to do is mold your hair either the night before or the day of, let it dry, and then just put on this ponytail. It takes literally 2 seconds, so that's always good. I love, love, love an easy hairstyle. And then price for this ponytail, 20 inches long, $67 is really not that bad. It's definitely affordable, especially for this type of length, and this hair is virgin hair, so you can't really beat that price. It's very affordable. So also another positive is if you would like to take a break from those wigs or crochets or braids, then a ponytail is always a go-to. It's quick and easy, so yeah. And then if you wanted to have it in a high ponytail or even a low ponytail, this hair really is not sweeping on my neck at all. I can barely feel like it's there. So I feel like it's the perfect summer, spring hairstyle. Cons, don't really have too many cons. The only one I will say maybe is there was some shedding when I did co-wash the ponytail, but that was it. Just a few strands, not too much, but it was noticeable. But that was pretty much it. So no tangling, no shedding after the fact of co-washing. So I would just put this in the category as having no cons, because that's really not a big deal. You are to expect a little bit of shedding with whatever type of unit or ponytail that you receive. So just a few hairs is not really a big deal to me personally. So yeah, this ponytail is so super cute. I do know that they have other textures as well. They have a kinky straight texture, an afro curly texture as well, but this is the one that I decided to try, and I absolutely love it. So let me just turn around so you can see all angles again, and then see that braid. But that is pretty much it. That is it for this review. So again, this ponytail was sent to me by YGwigs. I'm gonna put a link down in the description box below so you can see their specific website, and then a direct link to this ponytail so you can check it out as well. But that is it. So like, comment, subscribe.